Since our first show on June 3rd, our guests on Cakes and Conversation have brought this kitchen to life. The sounds of laughter. Dancing.
Look at me go.
Singing. Do you sing?
No. Stamp, it'll be like yellow.
Oh wow! Listen to music.
That's good.
Good.
Gallantly streaming.
And an occasional. Have filled the room. Our goal was to change how people experience disability and really how you experience disability one creation at a time. But truth be told, the guest in this kitchen changed how I experience disability. At any moment, I never knew what was happening around me. You're not going to want to miss this, so if you can go ahead and stir the to me,
Hey, yo. Hey.
or even to the cake. That? Ooh, I like that. What do you think? Yeah, use that. Use that. Oh, go eat it. Okay. Until I met Katie Ann, I thought everyone loved Rice Krispie treats, especially if you're on Krispie King. But she was honest enough to say, "You can take it off and try it." We always say the key to the perfect Rice Krispie treat is to appreciate the butter. Who knew Owen could appreciate appreciating the butter?
Bam, butter. Bam, what?
Butter! And speaking of butter, you don't get the back of your hand. We're not using the back of your hands. It's obvious we're all learning as we go. Like the time I failed to mention to write how to properly squeeze a few drops of food coloring.
I'll go ahead.
We go. Oh, all right. That's pretty good.
Was it good?
Yeah, that's awesome. Or that time you felt my kitchen etiquette was unsatisfactory.
Ew, what did you do?
What? Seriously, who knew so many people removed the cereal bag from the box before pouring? Between 3, I don't necessarily measure. Rice.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Or that creating a Rice Krispie cake was even dangerous.
And by the way, folks, don't try this at home. Don't try this at home.
Have you learned as much as I have? Please comment below and let me know what your favorite show was and why, or maybe something that you've learned. Because I know this, everyone who leaves this kitchen is proud of their creation.
I feel so happy. I love everything in there.
Awesome.
Oh, that looks awesome.
If it's your first time in the kitchen, welcome. Would you subscribe and join the royal family today? Every time that you subscribe, like, and share one of our videos, what you're doing is making space in the kitchen for someone else to come and create, share their story, and change how others experience disability. And remember, we all deserve to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Peace out! Peace out! Peace out! Peace out! Peace out! Peace out! Peace out!
Click here to get to know my good friend Michael as we create a WWE wrestling belt cake. And if you want to see other Cakes and Conversations, you can click right here and get the full playlist.